Hey, folks, my guest today, he is attorney Travis Hollifield, and he focuses on working women's legal rights, including sexual harassment, pregnancy discrimination, Family Medical Leave Act, and wage-related claims. He represents working women throughout Florida and workplace legal issues. Travis knows what women want. Travis, let's not focus on women right now. Let's focus on men and women.
Sure.
And one of the things you do for them is reviewing severance packages.
Yes.
And so how do you serve your clients in that role?
Well, what typically happens is there has been either a separation of employment or there's an impending separation of employment that's communicated to an employee by an employer. And oftentimes there will be an offer of severance. What I tell my clients and what everybody needs to know is that in the state of Florida, there is no legal requirement at all whatsoever for an employer to offer an employee severance unless that issue has been addressed in an employment contract or there's a collective bargaining agreement between a group of employees and a particular employer regarding that issue. Absent that, there is no legal right to severance. The only reason really, in practical terms, that employers ever offer severance is in order to get a general release from the terminated employee such that it prevents them from then bringing a lawsuit against the employer for workplace legal issues and other legal issues as well.
And so sometimes you're reviewing the severance package and you're saying, hey, you could do better than this, or for tax purposes, this is not the right way to go. They should frame it in a different way.
Well, certainly I would never give tax advice. That would be for a tax professional. But what I would look at and discuss with the potential client is whether or not there are any pending employment legal claims that that would be released if that employee were to sign this agreement and accept the severance. And oftentimes, if there is, we can enter into a negotiation with the employer, bring to the forefront the legal claim, and perhaps enhance the severance that's being offered in exchange for that release.
Very good. Hey, folks, my name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law right here on News Talk WD.